You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.
So now let's do the next lab wherein we are going to be configuring our receive connectors. So for this, we click on mail flow, click on receive connectors. Now we should have a few receive connectors already here. That's okay. We're going to click on new. Now remember earlier we created a receive connector earlier where we pointed towards 172.16.10.40. Now this time we are going to do the opposite where we are pointing back towards 172.16.10.20. Now, first thing, the name of this one would be nita.local. Okay. Not nita greater than local, nita.local. And definitely not nita comma local. Okay. We're not changing anything here. This is going to be internal for intranet email as usual and front end transport. Next. Now, we are going to remove this IP range and we are going to add the IP address of the server, that is 172.16.10. If I'm not wrong, it's 10.30. Now, this is one of those places where you should always keep a list of your IP addresses on the side that I'm referring to at the moment to make sure that I'm not going off track here. And click on finish. Now, once it is done, click on edit, click on security, and under this, make sure that anonymous users is selected and save. All right. And that concludes our lab here. Our lab was very simple. We just had to configure a receive connector on Nita EXEH02 admin center to point towards or to receive emails or create a receive connector from nita.local to netsoftacademy.com. Now we are going to do the same thing again for the send connectors as well after this. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next lab. Thank you.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.